Welcome to Paradise. Paradise RV Resort, that is. Paradise is located just about 20 miles outside of Phoenix, Arizona, in Sun City. You will receive an email with an assigned site before you come to the resort. So just get into the RV visitors lane and stop at the welcome. There are security guards at the guard booth at all times throughout the day and night, and they also patrol the grounds. After you pick up your paperwork at the security booth, you will see signs for RV check-in, and you'll pull off there to wait your escort into your site. We have a couple of RVs, one Class A and a fifth wheel, lined up and ready to be escorted to their site. This is a large resort, definitely not a campground. You're going to find mostly neatly manicured park models. The RVs are scattered between the park models throughout the resort. As you can see, there's just sections in between the houses where the RVs park. On the back row, there's a little more space for the RVs, where there's not as many park models. So we're right across from this patch of grass and this fire hydrant, and this seems to be a very popular place to walk your pup. And there's lots of bunnies here. Nikita loves the bunnies. As you can see, we're parked diagonal to the popular patch of grass for the potty breaks, so Nikita likes to stare at the dogs and the bunnies out here. So we're parked diagonal from one of the no pets beyond this point zones. We do have a full hookup, 50-30-20. We're on gravel, but we do have a concrete pad. All your spots are gravel with a concrete pad. And it's home sweet home. We have our little seats, stools to prop up our feet, and a cooler for our little adult beverage at night. What else do you need? Need a puppy dog. That's what you need. Nikita, you a good companion? You are. What a good girl. We like to come out in the evenings when the sun starts sinking, gets a little bit cooler, put out our awning. This is a huge resort, but don't worry. Everything is centrally located at the front in this quad-like area, with a pool being in the center. There are several water features surrounding the activity center that makes it look a little bit cooler, even if it's about 98. Makes you want to get your feet wet. There are a few other creative rock gardens throughout the area as well. If you need to go to the office, you'll find it right across from the RV check-in area. One of my favorite places to head into after we land, the activities office. I'm going to go see what's going on while we're here. You can pick up your own activity schedule right here. You can come into the activities office, rest, or pick up some things to see what's going on in the area. Kind of looks like registering into a hotel. The landscape is bright and beautiful. Lots of colors. When it cools off late in the evening, you can come out under this little pavilion and light the gas fire. In the center of all the activities, the pool, where you can relax or play volleyball. There are plenty of places around the pool. Just sit back, relax, read, get a little sun. Another fire feature. A nice place for a barbecue. So I'll dry off so I can put my microphone on and we'll continue the tour. It's a nice hot tub right next to the pool. So we'll come back when it's dark and a little bit cooler. There's an ADA chairlift if you need help into the pool. From the pool area, you can see all the different activities that they have to offer here. It's marked above each shop. They have ceramics and wood shop, lapidary, silversmith, a library, computer room, and it goes on and on. Covering one portion of the square is the ballroom. This is the biggest building in the quad, and this is where most of your concerts, church services, and other activities are hosted. Outside the barbecue cafe, you have your shuffleboard courts. They have a little spot where you can practice golfing. There's an area between the billiards room and the pickleball court where you can have a fire pit or a gas grill. Cook out and watch some pickleball. You can find your pickleball and tennis equipment in this big brown box by the fence. Between the pickleball courts, there are tables and umbrellas where you can sit and freshen up between games. Paradise Pickleball Club. They're pretty serious about their pickleball. They have courts for every level. Pickleball is a lot of fun though. I like their fancy pickleball holder. Pull it out, and when you're done, return it. Perhaps you're just a spectator, then hop on one of these bleachers and you can watch some people play. It's a very nice sports complex. Lots of room to play pickleball. This is pretty much me. I need to sit here and hit the ball at the green board. This is a very nice place to relax. You can stroll through this little garden, listen to the waters flow from the fountain, from the birds, and just relax. Taking a stroll down memory lane. Let's go inside and see what the billiards looks like here. Your billiards room looks cozy enough. There are 5 tables here. You can even keep score. If you're like me, you can't remember. There. The billiards room also makes for a great poker room. You can watch your live game here every Sunday night. Well, during football season. Who's your favorite football team? There's an outside shower area, and the pool is open 22 hours a day. Closed only 5:30 to 7:30 a.m. for cleaning. In lieu of a bathhouse, your restrooms and showers are here at the quad area. Your showers and bathroom are connected to the fitness center. It looks like a regular gym bathroom. You have lockers, hair dryers if you didn't bring your own. There are 4 sinks with mirrors. A bathroom scale so you can check out what you weigh after you work out. Before you work out, check out how large this handicap shower is. Very accessible. You have a chair and a shower head that you can remove for easier access. There are also 4 other showers. They have a little changing area. Check it out. We have a dry sauna. I know where I'm coming tonight. The only drawback, it's his and hers. There's one in the men's room and one in the women's room, and Fred and I kind of like the co-ed versions. There are 4 commodes in here, 1 handicap accessible. You have a little game room beside the fitness area. It has ping pong tables. There are 5 dartboards in this game area. The fitness center in here has lots of choices of exercise activities. Free weights are my favorite. That's what I really need to use. This is pretty cool. You can fill up your water bottle while you're here. Oh good, I was just checking out the sewing and stained glass room.
Just finished. I have to just polishing it up. I put some wax on it, so it's not quite as shiny, but.
Most of your arts and crafts have window displays and they sell their items that they've created. Their music room is pretty full of cool instruments. Jam sessions are held in here. So the wood shop and ceramics are side by side. They also create items and they will sell them. Some of their pieces are just stunning. One of my favorite places, the lapidary and silversmithing. If you don't want to come in and create something of your own, support your local artisan. Most of your packages will come straight to your site, so make sure you just put your site number on it. But if you have some that come through the US mail, you can pick them up here. It's not all fun and games. Sometimes you got to do a little work. This is a rather large laundry room. There are plenty of washers and dryers. Your washing machines are $2 each. You can use the CSC app. If you like the old-fashioned using the quarters, you have that choice as well. The dryers are $1.75 each. Sample room to fold and hang your clothes. They have several courtesy carts for you to use around the resort. Your laundry room is open 24 hours a day. You might ask, what's this big field for? This resort participates in lawn bowling. They keep score and everything. Paradise even has its own lawn bowls club. Across from the mail areas, the card rooms, library, and computer. So these computers and printers are for resort guests, but they can't download. If you want to print something, be sure to bring your own printer paper. They have snacks, water, and juice, cash only, and on the honor system. Enter the arch and into the library and puzzle room. There's a table full of free church stuff beside the library. Outside the library door, there are free books that you do not have to return. Here's your card room, so you can come in and play cards or games. Feel free to enjoy the games, especially on some of these hot afternoons. As you can see, this is a huge park, and everything I've been showing you is centrally located at the front, right by the front gate. Now, one interesting thing about this park, you may have seen it a whole lot, I have not, is the green is a non-pet zone and the blue is a pet area. And so you cannot come out of this area with your pet once you bring them in there in your car. You have to walk all in this area or through this gate where there's a pet walk right by the road. Kind of makes me feel ostracized. But I mean, I understand if you don't want pets around, I guess. Your speed limit here is a snail's pace. I think that's a little bit less than 10 miles an hour. This is the pet area that I showed you on the map. It's a U-shape, one entry pet area. This is where you come in and you cannot leave this area walking your dog at all. The back of it says no pets beyond this point. Of course, please pick up what your pet drops off, which is pretty normal. So Nikita and I have been confined to this little area, which is not a big spot for us, so it doesn't give her a lot of walk time, and there's no dog park here, so I've been riding my bike and letting her run. She's been getting her exercise that way. There are trash cans and recyclable only cans scattered about 4 different places throughout the park. And if you're in the pet area and you have a pet area, on 25th Avenue behind the trash cans is where you're going to find the gate to get out to the pet walk area. It's kind of hidden.
We didn't bring fling tonight, but we were in here and just, wow, this is nice. Yeah, so good hot tub. Don't tell Fling we were here without him. All right, it's time for the Paradise RV Cellular Service Report. First up, we have T-Mobile with a download speed of 61.4 megabits per second and an upload speed of 12.3 megabits per second. Second place, AT&T at 10.9 down and 11.9 up. And a close third is Verizon at 9.12 down and 3.35 up. Well, there you go. Pretty good numbers, but there's plenty of stuff to do in this park. So get out there and have some fun. We'll talk to you next time.